You are going to love the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.